Today we'll be discussing something called as vertical circular motion. Students, vertical circular motion, as I have shown in the diagram, the motion of the particle in the vertical circle like this. It is the motion of the particle in the vertical circle. Students, vertical circular motion two types असतात. One vertical circular motion, आता the speed is not constant, which I have drawn on the board. Here the speed is not constant, but the gravitational force is constant. There are some vertical circular motions where the speed is maintained constant, like तुमचं ते giant wheel आपण जे म्हणतो, there the speed is in controlled form, म्हणजे speed is trying to be kept constant. That's it. Concentrate. We are discussing vertical circular motion. Vertical circular motion is of two types, where in one type velocity is not kept constant and in the other type force is kept constant. म्हणजे इथं force constant ठेवायचा. Case number 1 where the velocity is not kept constant, force is maintained constant. Okay. दुसऱ्यामध्ये जिथं आपण giant wheel, which I have not shown on the board, in the giant wheel form the velocity is kept constant. ठीक है. Okay. Concentrate. हे बघा रे, consider a particle of mass m performing a vertical circle. The particle is tied to a string of length L. As the particle performs vertical circle, the length becomes the diameter. As this particle it performs vertical circle, the length of the string becomes the diameter, and the diameter is 2r. That's it. Got that? Students, we have selected 4 points: point A, point B, point C, point D. Okay. Here at the lowest point, observe at the point B, the tension, that is the force of reaction, and the weight are in the opposite direction. At the highest point, the tension and the weight are in the same direction. At the midpoints, प्रश्न येत नाही, I will teach you that later on. Don't worry at all. कळतंय? So we are observing that at the lowest point, the tension and the weight are in the opposite direction, and here they are in the same direction. This is the direction of velocity at the lowest point BB, which acts along the tangent. Velocity at point A, which acts along the tangent. काही मोठं नाही. We have to use only the principle of conservation of energy and try to get the expressions. Difficult नाही आहे म्हणून ते. ठीक आहे? Concentrate. हे बघा रे. आता one by one एक एक शिकवायला घेऊया. At the highest point A. At the highest point A, what are you observing? Tension and weight are in the same direction. करते हैं? हाँ, tension and weight are in the same direction, which provide the necessary centripetal force. करते हैं? Okay, one thing. Now, at the highest point झाला है. Students, for the particle to reach the highest point, from the lowest point, for the particle to reach the highest point and continue the vertical circle, मुलांनो, tension at the highest point should be equal to 0. कारण particle खालून from the bottom to reach the top and then complete the vertical circle, TA should be 0. करते हैं? एक point झाला. गारा value इथं what will happen here? TA is 0. Substitute करा, plus mg is equal to mva square by r. हाँ बघा, ऑब्झर्व करा, इट्स व्हेरी इझी. mg is equal to mva square by r. Yes, cross multiply. va square is equal to gr. va is equal to square root gr. करते? This is the velocity at the highest point, minimum velocity at the highest point, such that the particle completes the vertical circle and does not slack down. खाली घसरून येणार तिथे, it will continue the vertical circle. Clear concept now? हाँ, VA at the highest point. Now, concentrate. Easy. From the principle of conservation of energy, from the principle of conservation of energy. What do you find here? Total energy at B, lowest point B, is equal to, कारण एक concept आहे which will remain constant throughout, that is total energy at point B is equal to total energy at point A. कळतं है? What is total energy at B? It is the sum total of kinetic and potential energy at B. कारण total energy चा expression असते आहे kinetic and करते mechanical motion आहे म्हणून. We are not going to take some special energies here. Is equal to sum total of kinetic and potential energy at A. करते हैं? घरा values. What is kinetic energy at point B? Half mvb square. Why so? कारण velocity at the lowest point, हे बघा, velocity at the lowest point is vb. Velocity plus lowest point ला म्हणजे height नाही, कारण body lowest point ला आली point B ला, so potential energy is 0 is equal to kinetic energy half mva square, which is the highest point, plus what about the potential energy? It is mg into h. Height is the diameter of the circle. That's it. Concentrate please. हे बघा रे. Therefore half m vb square is equal to, बघा हा, half m va square. What is va? Under root gr. Under root gr चा square plus 2 mgr. हाँ किती इजी आहे बघा. जस्ट फॉलो हाफ m vb square. What is under root gr? It is simply gr divided by 2 plus 2 mgr. Multiply throughout by 2 ends the job. आणि m कॉमन काढून कॅन्सल आउट करून टाका. So we get vb square is equal to gr multiply throughout by 2 plus 4gr. हे बघा इथं या एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये m कॉमन काढायचा and multiply throughout by 2. हे 2 मल्टिप्लाय केलं, फक्त vb square will be remaining. Here 2 will be multiplied only gr and 2 will be multiplied 4gr. Clear? Therefore what is vb square? Is equal to 5gr. vb square is equal to what? 5gr. Therefore vb is equal to under root 5gr. करते म्हणून ना, vb is what? Under root 5gr. हाँ एकदा रिवाइज करूया and the principle of conservation of energy घेऊया. We'll continue with the job. Okay. We'll revise it again and we will continue. See here, we are discussing today vertical circular motion. Vertical circular motion is a motion around the circumference. Motion around the circumference of the circle. दोन तऱ्हेचे असतात. This is particular one where velocity is not kept constant anywhere but the gravitational force is constant. There is one more type where the gravitational force need not be kept constant but velocity controlled form. The giant wheel दिसतं ना तिथं. That's it. Please concentrate. Highest point A, lowest point B, mid point D and C respectively. That's it. बघा, at the highest point A, what happens? Use the principle of conservation of tension and weight act in the same direction, provide the necessary centripetal force. At the highest point TA का 0 घेतलाय? बिकॉज पार्टिकल जर वरती गेली, लोंबकाळून परत खाली येऊ नये, ते मौत का कुवा म्हणतात त्याला, ते आहे बघा ते. टेन्शन ॲट द हायेस्ट पॉईंट जर 0 नसेल देन द पार्टिकल विल स्लॅक डाऊन, इट विल नॉट कम्प्लीट. दॅट्स इट. टी इज इक्वल टू 0 घाला इथं, 0 प्लस एम जी इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम व्ही ए स्क्वेअर. एम कॅन्सल करायचं, VA square is equal to GR square root card. Okay, that's it. From the principle of conservation of energy, total energy at A is equal to total energy at B. Total energy म्हणजे कुठली? Kinetic and potential. At A kinetic and potential. And that's it. Total energy at the lowest point, kinetic energy is half mvb square. Potential energy is height 0 असावं 0 plus half mva square plus 2 mgr. vb square va ची व्हॅल्यू घाला. हां हे घातलं m कॉमन काढायचं and multiply throughout by 2 here. 2 when you multiply you get gr plus 4gr multiply throughout by 2. हां 4gr plus gr 5gr square root काढला जॉब इज ओव्हर. दॅट्स इट. क्लिअर ना. दिस इज वन पार्ट. आता टेन्शन घेऊया. आता टेन्शन ॲट द हायेस्ट पॉईंट तर तुम्हाला कळलेलं आहे, इट इज 0. आता टेन्शन ॲट द लोएस्ट पॉईंट किती येते ते सांगते तुम्हाला. इट्स व्हेरी इझी. हां सी हिअर आय शो यू हाऊ इट कम्स. हे बघा ऑब्झर्व. टेन्शन आपण काय करूया, टेन्शन ॲट द लोएस्ट पॉईंट कॅल्क्युलेट करूया. टेन्शन ॲट द लोएस्ट पॉईंट कॅल्क्युलेट करूया. हे बघा व्हॉट हॅव लर्न हिअर, हाफ एम व्ही बी स्क्वेअर प्लस 0 इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम व्ही ए स्क्वेअर प्लस ॲज युजल kinetic energy, total energy at the lowest point is equal to total energy at the highest point. कळतं आहे. व्हॅल्यूज घाला. दॅट्स इट. व्हॉट विल हॅपन हिअर. येस विल पुट इट लाईक दिस. थांबा. ह्याच्यापेक्षा यू माय फील इट अ बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. त्यापेक्षा एक इझी वे दाखवत आहे. टेन्शन ॲट द हायेस्ट पॉईंट इज 0. आर यू ओके. हां ॲट द लोएस्ट पॉईंट बघा. आता at the lowest point, what do we get here? TB, mg are in opposite direction. Provide the necessary centripetal force. TB minus mg is equal to m. What about vb? Velocity at the lowest point. Students, we have already proved it as under root 5 gr. आता इस प्रूव केलं आपण. That's it. जरा बघूया. Okay, therefore TB is, observe this, TB minus mg is equal to 5mg. Therefore TB is equal to 6mg. So tension at the highest point is 0, tension at the lowest point is maximum, that is 6mg. That's it. आता mid point ला काय? Wait, I will tell you. Again use at points C and D. Total energy at C is equal to total energy at D. करते दोनों mid points है. Total energy at C is equal to total energy at D. What is total energy at C? Sum total of kinetic energy. Okay. Kinetic energy will C आणि B घेऊया, कारण C आणि D ला इक्वलच येणार ते. सो टोटल एनर्जी ॲट B. व्हॉट इज द टोटल एनर्जी ॲट C? नाही तर हायेस्ट पॉईंट घेतला तरी चालतो. व्हॉट इज द टोटल एनर्जी ॲट C? इट इज हाफ एम व्ही सी स्क्वेअर प्लस एम जी एच. हाईट इज द रेडियस देअर. हे बघा ही हाईट येणार. क्लिअर. इज इक्वल टू टोटल एनर्जी ॲट B इज हाफ एम व्ही बी स्क्वेअर plus potential energy is 0. Therefore m कॉमन काढून कॅन्सल करा. हाफ vc स्क्वेअर प्लस gr इज इक्वल टू हाफ vb स्क्वेअर. vb ची व्हॅल्यू करा स्टुडंट्स. व्हॉट इज vb? अंडर रूट 5 gr. therefore हाफ vc स्क्वेअर प्लस gr is equal to half VB is 5gr. करता है. मल्टीप्लाई थ्रू आउट बाय 2 VC स्क्वायर प्लस 2gr is equal to 5gr. VC स्क्वायर is equal to 3gr. VC is equal to under root 3GR म्हणजे विच इज इक्वल टू इवन व्हिडिओ ऑल्सो. दॅट्स इट. कळतं? परत एकदा राऊंड मारूया अँड देन वी विल स्टॉप विथ द व्हिडिओ. हां, ॲट द हायेस्ट पॉईंट वी हॅव ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड द टेन्शन इज at highest point is 0. At the lowest point TB and MG are in opposite direction which provide the necessary centripetal force. हे 11वीत पण येतं मुलांना. TB minus MG is equal to half M. VB is 5GR divided by R. RR cancels. इथं आलं 6mg. 5mg plus mg is 6mg. At the point C and D, C and B again कुठल्याही पॉईंट्सवर total energy is constant. हाफ एम वी सी स्क्वेअर प्लस एम जी आर इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी बी स्क्वेअर. एम कॉमन काढून कॅन्सल करा. हां, ओके. मल्टिप्लाय थ्रूआउट बाय 2. सी हियर, मल्टिप्लाय थ्रूआउट बाय 2. हियर यू हैव टेकन एम कॉन्स्टंट. हां, वी सी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 3GR. वी सी इज √3GR. क्लियर? इज इट ओके? आय होप इट इज क्लियर. येस. चलो विल स्टॉप स्टुडंट्स फॉर टुडे. जरा वाचा. हां, या, ओके.